Some things from the 80s are best left in the 80s.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down.
But some things deserve to be revived. Simon, the addictive electronic memory game, is now portable. The Mini Simon is just like its 80s ancestor, complete with authentic sounds. Press the center button to activate Mini Simon, then follow its lead. Simon plays a sequence, and you must repeat it by pressing the 4 color buttons in the exact same order. Each time you play the buttons correctly, Simon adds 1 more on the end. Not only does the sequence get longer, it gets faster. It will straight wreck your mind. For all you experts, try memorizing the sounds and playing with your eyes closed. The carabiner clip makes it easy to clip Mini Simon on a backpack or even the headrest in a car. Mini Simon runs on 3 included button cell batteries and automatically shuts off to conserve power. Simon says, buy me now at vat19.com.
vat19.com, purveyors of curiously awesome products.
vat19.com